Timor-Leste and Solomon Islands have reaffirmed their commitment on peer-to-peer cooperation through a regional seminar on peer learning and natural resource management, hosted on July 9, 2025, in Honiara under the auspices of the G7+. The one-day event at the Heritage Hotel Honiara, Solomon Islands, served as a platform for exchanging experiences between two G7+ member countries that are both striving to manage natural resources for sustainable development. The seminar is included in the 5-day G7+ mission in Honiara, led by Minister of Petroleum and Mineral Resources Francisco Monteiro, accompanied by the G7+ Secretary General Elder da Costa, along with 21 delegates from Timor-Leste, with various activities ranging from attending the 47th anniversary of Solomon Islands Independence Day, meetings with the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Peter Chanel Agovaca, Minister of Mines, Energy and Rural Electrification, Derek Rockcliffe Manuari, Minister of Traditional Governance, Peace and Ecclesiastical Affairs, John Tuhaika, and Solomon Islands Prime Minister Jeremiah Manele.
Timor-Leste is proud to be a member of G7+, and we come here with humility, not to say that we have a perfect model of our resource development, but really to share our experience, exchange lessons, and grow together with our brothers and sisters in Solomon Islands. Noting the importance of natural resources as the potential driver of development, Timor-Leste has developed its oil and gas resources and is now in the process of developing its mineral sector, and we have already taken steps to establish our necessary institutional and legal frameworks.
The key highlights is that the G7 Plus will now reposition itself not as an aid recipient, but as indispensable partners in our dialogue with our development partners. You know, the world needs what we have: natural wealth, strategic geography, and untapped human capital. Now is the high time to leverage these assets in a coordinated and confident way and negotiate collectively for fairness, and more equitable terms of engagement with global actors such as the United States, China, the European Union, Australia, the Gulf Cooperation Council, and other emerging regional powers.
It is my distinct honor and privilege to extend to you all a very warm welcome to Honiara and to the official opening of the G7 Plus Peer Learning Mission on Natural Resource Management. We are deeply honored to host this important regional gathering under the esteemed G7 Plus framework, and especially to welcome to our source His Excellency Minister Francisco da Costa Monteiro and a distinguished delegation from Timor-Leste.
It is therefore both timely and essential that we gather under the banner of the G7+ to reflect, to learn from one another, and to forge collaborative approaches rooted in our unique context and lived experiences. The seminar also featured panel discussions, field visits, and bilateral meetings addressing practical challenges and contextual solutions in natural resource management. Representatives from Timor-Leste, including representatives from the National Minerals Authority, Murakrai Timor, the Timor-Leste Geosciences Institute, the Extractive Industries Transparency Initiative, and related institutions from the Solomon Islands participated. In each meeting, both parties agreed to follow up on deeper cooperation between the two countries in a Memorandum of Understanding agreement, which would be discussed in the next meeting.